Let me tell you my favorite features about the Batch Well Margarita recipe. It comes in little packets. It comes in classic, spicy, and skinny. Now, what I like most about it is its real ingredients. It's real sugar, real whatever flavor is going into this is real. It's not anything fake. Now, the other thing that's cool about this is it's a medium range tequila. You're not putting a whole lot of alcohol in this guy. So the mix is 1.5 ounces of tequila, 3 ounces of water, and then the packet, the flavor packet, the magic. I put it in a shaker with some ice and I shook it up and then I poured it into a glass with ice. A bartender friend taught me that a long time ago that you always start a drink with a full glass of ice. And I poured it in there, and then you can see how nice it looks. It's got a great color. And then here's the best part. Mm, smooth flavor. Tastes like a margarita that I had last week in Mexico. That's how good it is. This is a great product. I recommend it because it's real ingredients, because it's mobile, and because I like the taste.